So what's up guys, it's Henry Hinks yet again. Thank you so much. I can't get enough of saying thank you so much for those people who are watching my content. I really appreciate. And if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. So we roll into the first video of the day. On today's content, I want to discuss about how to choose a good tattoo machine. Yeah, how to choose a good tattoo machine. So you have this crazy idea of you want to do tattoos or you want to try and learn about tattoos. Yeah, but the first question that pops in is, which machine do I buy? Which machine do I go for? Because now it's just an idea, but you want to make it practical. So guys, this video will guide you on to choose the machine that is best for you, that will work for you and produce a result for you. So always remember, when choosing a tattoo machine, remember that the cheapest tattoo machine are always not reliable for such a long time. They can easily break down, yeah, and when you use it for a longer period, you will just notice that it's not performing the same way it used to. Yeah, so now if you're a starter, yeah, you will tend to see which machine do you really want. Yeah, so if you're a starter, you should first go for these qualities. Go for a machine first that is working. Yeah, and always remember, buy a new tattoo machine to avoid being conned, to avoid malfunctioning in that tattoo machine. Second, you will want a machine that has a good job, that does a good job, a clean job. Yeah, so these qualities are just that will set your mind set to going for that tattoo machine. Always remember this when choosing a tattoo machine. The cheapest tattoo machines are not reliable and they break down easily with time, yeah, compared to the expensive tattoo machine. Now if you are a starter, you will tend to want a tattoo machine first which is working, second which offers a good job, a clean job, which when you want to make it to make a line, you don't strain. Yeah, and how do you know that? Always in the online shopping websites, they have a picture of how the tattoo machine will look. Yeah, so you will need first to research. Yeah, there are different type. You have the coil machines, you have the rotary, then we have the pen tattoo machines, which now is common and famous. Yeah, and also for the expensive machines, remember these companies which produce tattoo machines, they target both the starter, the semi-pro, the professionals. Yeah, so the most expensive tattoo machines work, they tend to target the professionals. Yeah, because now they have their own taste, they have their own tattooing style. Like for example, which grip do you want, which uh, which goes with your style. Yeah, do you want a bigger grip, do you want a small grip, do you want to stick with a machine which has a lot of noise or a lot of sound, or you want a silent machine? Do you want a machine that do you want a machine that cannot break down easily, such and such a stuff. Yeah, so what my advice to you, if you're thinking about like going out there starting to do tattoos, yeah, my advice is this: look for relatively cheap machines. Yeah, relatively cheap, that doesn't mean the cheapest or the most expensive ones, no, relatively cheap. Yeah, so as when you receive the package, you will not strain, yeah, to get the other stuff that I usually call them the reusables while doing tattooing. For example, the cotton, You won't strain financially to get the gloves. You won't strain to get the inks that you want to start with. So, and also, as time goes by, remember, as time goes by, everything you can't learn in one day. Never. As time goes by, you will now start to know your tattooing style. You start now having the urge to upgrade your machine. So whatever machine you have, start with that. Remember that. Always, starting is everything. That's a decision you should make. Compared to a person who is just sit home relaxed, just fantasizing about tattooing and doing nothing about it. So I hope you like the video. I hope it is educative enough for you, and I hope that you start your tattooing career, and see you soon. Check out my handles, my Instagram account, that is at henryinks_tattoos. Remember, at henryinks_tattoos. Check out my Facebook page at henryinks_tattoos, without the underscore. And also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment, and always click on the ring site. So as when I upload, you get notified. See you soon. See you later. Goodbye.